Welcome to Quick Tips with Chef Swain. Today we're talking knives. How do we use them properly? This is your basic chef's knife. Nothing special, but it doesn't need to be to get the job done. First thing is grip. You want to hold your knife like you are giving a handshake, and your other hand is going to be right up against the blade. This will absolutely save your fingers and help you work fast with enough practice. You want to use the shape of the blade to rock through your work like this, always keeping your knife on the board as much as possible. This is a honing steel. It's not used to sharpen your knife, it's used to realign the microscopic teeth that run along the edge of your knife. You have to find this angle to run your knife along to straighten those teeth back out on each side. Do this almost every single time you use your knife, and it'll extend the life of the sharpness that's on the knife. This is not a replacement for a whetstone or a professional sharpening service. Utilize this guard so you don't cut yourself when you're acting like a really cool chef. Okay, let's cut something. Take this nub off and cut straight through the root end. Peel. Keeping your hand against the blade, cut through the top and from the side in half-inch increments. As you can see, I keep that handshake grip while doing this. This makes it so that I use my whole arm to cut, rather than if you just keep your finger on the top of the blade, you use just your hand or your forearm. When picking up the things you cut from your cutting board, make sure you use the back side of your knife. Using the blade side accelerates your blade getting dull by dragging it across your board and pushing those microscopic teeth down. Okay, time for a bonus recipe. We're gonna do some quick pickled onions. You're gonna slice them super thin, working on an angle as you move around the onion. The measurements for the pickling liquid are as follows. 1 part sugar, 2 part water, 3 parts vinegar. 3, 2, 1. Easy to remember. You can add salt and spices, like pepper flakes if you'd like, but this is the basic recipe. Always remember to marvel in your handiwork. Remember, a sharp knife is a safe knife, so use these tips to keep it sharp and to keep yourself safe. Please like and subscribe. I put out cooking videos every Monday and Friday. Have a magnificent day, and may your quest for food knowledge be bountiful.